Hey everybody, I hope everybody's having a good Wednesday. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. So anyways, we're going to talk about the Golden State Warriors. Can the Golden State Warriors make a run in the playoffs? And my answer to that is yes and no. But I want to say yes because they got a group of veteran guys. The other night, Stephen Curry just played out of his mind with 52 points. Like, players like that can churn it up. You got Draymond Green still there with him. I think he's been playing with him for 13 years. And then you added Jimmy Butler. You got who else do they have? Guys like Puzinski. Can't even say his name right. But they got a good group, and if they can get hot, they can get hot. And then you have Stephen Curry. And then, do I think Jimmy Butler is gonna produce in the playoffs? Yes. But do I think that will be enough? Probably not. But like I said, if the Warriors get hot, they can shoot that ball. I think, oh yeah, they got Buddy Hield, players like that can shoot the ball. And they're a little small, but they've been losing some games, and now they're creeping up in the playoffs. They're creeping up. I think they sit at 5 or 6 around there. So I would think that they make a little noise, depending who they get. If they get the Oklahoma City Thunder in the first round, that first round is gonna be good. OKC versus Warriors, cause we played them in the regular season. We have our struggles with Golden State Warriors. I want to say at times, but man, every time we play them, we have lost in the regular season. So that'll be real interesting, and that'll be a good first round. But if they can bump into like the Rockets and stuff like that and advance to the second round possible. I mean, they still got Curry. He can light you up 30 plus a game. And Draymond Green connects with him, and Jimmy Butler produces in the playoffs. But like I said, I don't know if that'll be enough, guys. I just don't know. Can they hold up on defense? They're a little thin. I would say that they make some noise in the playoffs. I don't want to say deep run. I could be mistaken. But they'll make some noise, guys. The Golden State Warriors will make some noise. Stephen Curry is awesome. He just went off for 52 the other night. Wow. Anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel and you like this type of videos, like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Peace.